Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and verifying accounts. Install a reputable ad blocker like uBlock Origin and log into Twitch and any linked Prime Video or Turbo accounts. Once done, open your browser's privacy settings and block third-party cookies. This prevents some ad tracking. Make sure autoplay is disabled to avoid pre-rolls from starting automatically. Now, you're ready to move into specific extension and account settings that will suppress or replace ads during streams. You now configure the extension rules and account integrations. Open your ad blocker dashboard and create dynamic filters. Block Twitch ad endpoints while allowing essential media and chat scripts. Use cosmetic filters to hide ad containers and enable script blocking for known ad scripts. Then test a channel. Refresh until you see consistent behavior. If you have Prime or Turbo, link the subscription to Twitch so built-in ad-free benefits apply. This combined approach minimizes ads and preserves chat and finish by testing across several channels and across sessions. Clear your browser cache and restart to ensure filters apply. If ads persist, disable other extensions one at a time to find conflicts, then update your ad blocker and its filter lists. Make sure your Prime/Turbo link hasn't expired and that you aren't logged into multiple conflicting accounts. As a final troubleshooting tip, run an incognito window with only the ad blocker enabled. If that fixes it, you've isolated an extension conflict and can remove the offender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.